In this video, you'll learn how to connect your domain to HubSpot. Whether you're setting up a new website or migrating an existing one, connecting your domain is a crucial step to make sure everything runs smoothly. So let's dive in and get your domain linked to HubSpot efficiently. First, you'll need to access the domain settings in HubSpot. To do this, navigate to the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once you're there, head over to the content section and select domains and URLs. This is where you'll manage all the domains associated with your HubSpot account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will be your go-to spot for any domain-related adjustments in the future. Now that you're in the right place, look for the option to connect a domain and click on it. This is the starting point for linking your domain with HubSpot. As you proceed, you'll need to decide on the type of domain connection you want to set up. HubSpot gives you two options, primary or secondary. If this domain is going to be your main site, go ahead and select primary. If it's an additional site or a subdomain, then secondary is the way to go. This decision will impact how HubSpot treats your domain, so choose accordingly. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the types of content you plan to host on this domain with HubSpot. You'll see options such as website, landing pages, and blog. Check the boxes for the content types that apply to your needs. This step helps HubSpot configure your domain to best support the content you'll be publishing. Selecting the right content types ensures that your domain is optimized for the intended use. Once you've selected the content types, it's time to enter your domain. Type in your domain name in the provided field. After you do this, HubSpot will automatically generate the necessary CNAME records for you. These records are crucial for linking your domain to HubSpot servers and ensuring everything is properly connected. The final step involves updating your domain provider with the CNAME records provided by HubSpot. Each domain provider has a slightly different process for updating DNS records, so you might want to check their specific instructions if you're unfamiliar with the process. Generally, you'll need to log into your domain provider's account, find the DNS settings or management section, and then add or update the CNAME records with the ones HubSpot has given you. This action allows your domain to point to HubSpot, ensuring your site's visitors can access your content seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your domain to HubSpot. By following these steps, you make sure your content is hosted smoothly and efficiently. Remember, if you ever need to make changes or add more domains, you can always return to the domains and URLs section in your HubSpot settings. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.